Rice is well known all over the world. It is an easy and simple staple food item that many of us use to help bulk up our meals. However, it has been stated that there are varying levels of arsenic that can be found in a multiple variety of rice types. Now, because of this, it would be great to have a rice alternative that you can easily use to help to make those delicious rice dishes that you enjoy. Today, we're going to be using the ancient grain millet to deliver a delicious and healthy rice-based meal that you and your family can enjoy. And on top of that, the preparation uses no oil to cook this meal, so it even adds some healthful points for those that would like to avoid using oils during their cooking. Come on with me as I show you how to pull this simple and delicious meal together. The ingredients are simple, easy to find, and clean. You can use any spices of your choice. For us, we went ahead and used some easy to find ones. Some garlic, ground pepper, stone ground mustard, date syrup, smoked paprika, all-purpose salt-free seasoning, and then we went ahead and got some tricolored bell peppers, onions, some soy curls, which are a soy-based meat alternative, doesn't have anything else added to it, just the soy protein, which is easy and versatile to use. And of course, we couldn't forget the main ingredient, the millet. We went ahead and used about 2 cups of millet. When you're ready to prepare your meal, you will need to soak your soy curls in some water so that you can submerge it for about 10 minutes to soften it up. In order to prepare the millet, we went ahead and used our Instapot. Go ahead and add it to the pot and submerge it underwater. Make sure that the water is above the level of the millet so that you can ensure everything is cooked evenly. Once you do this, you'll just go ahead and set your Instapot for pressure cook for 30 minutes. It makes it so easy and simple to do. Next, you're going to prepare your stir-fried portion. Just add your bell peppers, your onions, and go ahead and sweat those out for a few minutes. Now notice I'm not using any oil because the veggies have their own moisture and water content. That will help you to kind of steam these and not have to add any additional oils. You'll also go ahead and add your spices, and you'll go ahead and sweat these together for a few minutes until you see some translucency to the onions and change. Once you do this, you can go ahead and add your soaked soy curls, but first you want to go ahead and drain off some of that water and just kind of lightly compress it so that you don't have so much water added to your pot. Once this is complete, you can go ahead and add your mustard and your date syrup, keeping an eye on your heat because you don't want these items to burn, especially when you're not using any oil at the bottom of your pot here. Continue stirring and cooking the items until everything has been incorporated and all of your items in your pot have been cooked through nicely. This takes about 20 to 25 minutes, of course, depending on your stove. For us, that's about the time that it took. Once you're finished with this cooking process, you are pretty much all the way through. You can then go ahead and scoop out your millet. You can fluff it up some if you like, and then go ahead and dish it out. Place your veggies, your stir fry over the top, and serve with a wonderful fresh slice of avocado. It is so delicious. It is light. You don't feel heavy or tired after eating this. It is so healthy and nutrient rich and really an easy family staple that anyone can enjoy. If you like this recipe, please go ahead, like and subscribe to my channel so that you can continue to receive healthy and easy, simple ways to use sourdough and whole grains. I hope you enjoyed the showcasing of the ancient grain millet and that you now have your own rice alternative that you can feel comfortable enjoying. As always, do all you can to be more and more sustainable, and until next time, be blessed.